TrafficWave.net makes it very easy for you to get paid to build, manage, and profit from your own email marketing lists. It works like this. Every time you refer a new customer to the TrafficWave system, and that customer can be a restaurant in your area, hotels, publishers, other online marketers that you know, real estate agents, other home-based businesses, consultants, sports clubs such as gyms and spas, religious groups, churches, entertainers. When they use this system and they're referred by you, we're going to share those revenues with you as an affiliate. In fact, we have 4 ways that you can get paid as a TrafficWave.net affiliate. Our first way is weekly fast track bonuses. Every time you refer a new active customer to the TrafficWave autoresponder service, you will be paid 100% of the new sales revenue as a fast track bonus. Now, this weekly fast track bonus is designed to encourage new sales growth. These bonuses are paid weekly, and there's no limit to the number of fast track bonuses you can earn each week. So if you've got a good sized network and you've got people that you can refer to TrafficWave, you can begin earning right away. Now, of course, when they sign up with us, they continue to use this service month after month. And to track monthly recurring sales in your organization, TrafficWave uses what is called a 3x10 matrix structure. This means that you can have 3 sales on your first level, 9 sales on your second level, 27 sales on your third level, and so on, all the way through 10 levels. So when you become an affiliate, you have your position set up, and when you refer your first 3 sales, those sales go directly below you in that 3x10 matrix. Your second level can hold 9 different sales, and your third level can hold 27. Of course, then it goes to 81, 243, 729, and so on. Now, the fun part about the way this program pays you is we have monthly residual commissions. To qualify for monthly residual commissions at what we call our surfer level, you just need 1 personally referred active sale. We then pay you through 3 levels of your organization. You can see on level 1, we actually pay $6 per sale on that first level, regardless of who actually referred that sale. Remember, you just need 1 personally referred sale to access these commissions, and you can get paid through 3 levels. In fact, you can make up to $45 a month with just 1 referral. Not only is your TrafficWave account paid for, but you're actually generating profits and putting those in your pockets. Now, the next level we have is called the Tidal Wave level. And to qualify for monthly residual commissions at the Tidal Wave level, you just need 5 personally referred active sales. This then qualifies you to be paid through 5 levels of your organization. You can actually make up to $216 in monthly residual commissions, and that's not including the fast track bonuses that you're still earning by referring new sales and the matching leadership bonuses that we pay you. And we'll explain those in just a moment. Our highest level in our plan is called the Tsunami level. Now, to qualify to receive monthly commissions through the Tsunami level, you just need 10 personally referred active sales. And remember, this is very easy to do. We all get promoted and presented by other opportunities, other income opportunities, other online marketers, publishers, etc., and we know they're all looking for ways that they can build, manage, and profit from their own list. You can get paid to show them how to do that using TrafficWave. Now, when you have those 10 personally referred active sales, you're paid through 10 levels in our 3x10 matrix. And as you see here on this chart, you have a potential to earn over $88,000 a month just in the monthly residual commissions, in addition to any fast track bonuses that you earn by continuing to refer others. When you tap into and build a solid team of producers, your income can be absolutely phenomenal, and all you do is add this to your primary marketing promotions for your primary business. Now, for our leaders, we have an additional way to get paid, and that's called our leadership bonus. Active affiliates who have achieved the status of Tidal Wave or Tsunami can qualify to earn these leadership bonuses each and every month. As a Tidal Wave, you can earn a 25% leadership bonus. When you have 1 personally referred active sale in the current month and 1 personally referred active sale from the previous month, you can earn a leadership bonus equal to 25% of the monthly regular commissions that are earned by all of your personally referred affiliates that are at the Tidal Wave level or below. As a Tsunami, you can get a 50% leadership bonus. Quite often we see these commissions double the income for our productive and leadership affiliates. You can also receive guaranteed traffic commissions. Anytime you refer a customer to our guaranteed traffic program, we pay a 10% commission through 1 level on all of your direct sales for the guaranteed traffic program. Now, all of the numbers that you see here are used as an example, and your income will, of course, depend solely upon your own efforts and the level of skill that you have in promoting, following up with your prospects, and developing leaders within your organization. The more effective you are at referring customers and building a team, the more income you will be able to earn. So go ahead and get started with a 30-day free trial today to see just how easy it is to not only use our tools, but to profit by referring others.